Hello students, in ninth topic current electricity, now we are going to discuss about meter bridge. This is the circuit diagram for meter bridge, in which it consists of a wire of uniform cross section and 1 meter in length. Suppose the wire is connected between 2 points A and B. These 2 points on 2 metallic L-shaped strips. These 2 strips are separated by third metallic strip. So, there are 2 gaps created in meter bridge. One gap is suppose left gap and one is right gap. An unknown resistance is also always connected in left gap, whereas a known resistance box or resistance box is always connected in right gap. A source of electricity of EMF E and a key and rheostat are connected across wire AB. A galvanometer is connected to middle strip at point C and to the other terminal of galvanometer one jockey is connected, by which we can possible to make a connection with wire AB, or by which we can find out a balancing length for this meter bridge. Balancing length means where this galvanometer shows zero deflection. It is also called as null deflection. Suppose a suitable value of resistance is selected from resistance box R, and now make a connection such that this galvanometer shows zero deflection, that is null deflection, and the length of wire AB is called as balancing length. Suppose AD and DB. Suppose LX be the length of wire AD and LR be the length of wire DB. The length of wire can be measured by using a meter scale. 0 to 100 centimeter means it is of a meter. Now, by using balancing condition for meter bridge, we can write mathematically X by R is equal to RAD by RDB. Means X is the value of unknown resistance which we have to determine, and R means the value of resistance which is selected from resistance box, and RAD means the resistance of wire AD, and RDB means resistance of wire DB. B. Now consider L be the length of wire and rho be the specific resistance of wire and A be the area of cross section of a wire. Then by using formula for specific resistance, rho is equal to RA by L. So we can write R is equal to rho into L divided by A. Similarly, we are going to write formulae for RAD and RDB. So RAD is equal to rho into length of wire AD. Suppose LAD divided by area. Area is uniform. So we have written here simply A. Similarly, RDB is equal to rho and length of wire DB. Suppose LDB divided by A. Now putting these values in above equation, in this equation, so we get X by R is equal to RAD means rho LAD divided by A and RDB means rho LDB divided by A. Now the specific resistance of wire is constant and area of cross section is uniform. So we have cancelled rho and AA. So we get X by R is equal to LAD divided by LDB. In general, we can write LAD means length of wire AD. Suppose that is LX and LDB means length of wire DB. Suppose LR. From this we can write X is equal to LX by LR into capital R. And by using this formula we can determine the value of X means unknown resistance. Value of unknown resistance which is connected in left gap. This is the use of or application of meter bridge to determine the value of unknown resistance. And meter bridge is one of the application of Wheatstone bridge. So this was about meter bridge. So thank you students.